Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to decorate a graduation cap. So first you need a pair of scissors, and you also need adhesive spray, and you need some hole punchers and a Sharpie, and you need some sticky letters and some glue, but I didn't show you. Now you also need a cap, a graduation cap, and first you're gonna cut out the picture. And when you're done with that, you have the picture, so you grab your graduation cap, and then you put the picture on there in the middle, and then you grab your Sharpie, put a dot there, then you fold the picture in half, just in the middle a little bit, and then grab your hole puncher and just pinch a hole right in the middle. After you're done with that, you grab your graduation cap and you align it with the front of your cap. You want to cut 4 slices inside the dot, and then you grab your graduation cap and put that right in the middle where you punched the hole and cut 4 slices. My dad also used his sliced up barbershop card, which you can also go find him at his business at Sliced Up Barbershop. You can just go look up that, and so the picture turned out to be too big, so you need to grab your scissors and cut the edge of the picture to make it fit on the cap. And he also cut the white off, so make sure you do that too. So after that, you need to get your spray, and you need to spray spray it inside the cap, and then, but he sprayed it on the paper, so he decided to now do it on the cap. So he also used his Sliced Up Barbershop card to like smoothen it out, smoothing it out, and then he grabbed his book to put it pressure on down on it on the paper, so you can also press down on it so it can stick better. By the way, this is my dad's art book where the picture is in. So now you grab your sticky letters, and then you get the letters you need, and then you stick them right on the cap, the cap, and then yeah, that's what you do. So we couldn't find the same exact letters, but yeah, we had to do some small and big. So after you're done with the letters, you also put down the numbers if you want. And then so my dad didn't think it looked great, so didn't look all the way finished. So he used some more spray to stick it down a little bit, and then he used his card to to like flatten it down so it could stick to the gown. So he didn't see it was finished yet. So he went to the store and he bought some sticky tape with glitter on it and some sticky stars with glitter on them too. So you're gonna cut the plastic off of the tape, and then you're gonna grab the how many tape you need, and then you're going to line it up on the sides of the cap. So he actually grabbed the tape to measure it so it can be slightly on the edge, and you have to make the same amount and the same size of the tape so you can put it on each side of the thing of the cap. So the tape was kind of big, so you had to cut it. So right here in this part, we had to fold the tape because it was too big to fit on the sides. So after that, you get all your tape, you line them up on the side, and you have to also take the stickers off, the letters and stickers off, because they'll be in the way. So yeah, so we're gonna have to take the letters off too, but you have to fold the tape behind the cap so the tape can fit on the side correctly. So then after we're done with that, we're also going to have, like I said earlier, to take off the letters. We have to put the numbers back on, and we're also going to take the stars and we're going to put them around the letters, like the real letters, not the numbers. Yeah. So after we're done with that, that is the finishing touches. Yeah, so though we need some glue, actually, I forgot about that. So we need some glue, some crazy glue to put up under certain areas. And we're gonna like put it on the side where the tape is, so the tape can also like stick harder on it. And we put the glue under the tape so it can also stick harder. And we use our white clamps so we can hold the corners so the tape can stick better. We're gonna use the glue again for the picture too. Just you need to flip the picture up and just put some glue down, and then you can stick it to the paper, to the cap. And then when it's all glued, that's it. That's the finishing touches. And here is the cap. And she fucking loved it. And she liked it. This is my Auntie Kiki. Congratulations. And that is her wearing her cap that we made.